Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, first of all, it's been a minute. Hey girl, hey. We're gonna be doing a super quick half up, half down. I love this technique. You can use any wig, but I especially wanted to show you with this one because I think she is so cute and she matches my texture really well. So let's get into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, so I wanted to real quick come and show y'all this half up, half down. I've done like a short form of this with this wig, but I haven't done like long form, and I do this style so much. Hopefully you're not tired of seeing it because it's just really a go-to for me. I love a good half up, half down, and I always say, like, with these half up, half downs, for one, they are super quick. For two, you could use any type of wig. I've actually never done a half up, half down with a half wig. I've only used different types of wigs, like a lace part wig, a lace front wig, a closure wig. Like, I've never done it with the actual half wig. I just think that's funny because, like, typically you probably will use a half wig for a half up, half down. But for me, like, any wig will work. But so I wanted to do a long form video doing a half up, half down because I'm about to do that right now. I'm actually kind of rushing a little bit, but I was like, let me just come to the girls because it's been a minute since I did like a long form video. Anyways, so this is the wig that I'm going to be using. This is from, I think the brand is faux. So cool, I think. And I've been smutting this out. I've been using this wig a lot and it still look pretty decent. I just think it's just so cute. I love like the kink and then the curl at the bottom. So this is like what I have out of my hair. This is more hair than I usually have out, but I want it to be like a little bit further back today, so that's why. And then I just have literally like 2 braids because that don't even really matter. And I think I'm just gonna talk through this and do this in real time just because it's like really quick, like for real. So like with anything, I always, well, not with anything, like with any kind of like ponytail, I always do my bad, I always just like put the ponytail in. Like, this obviously is not like gonna be its final form. I only have a pink hair tie today, so like we're gonna have to make that work. But I always put like just the hair in a ponytail, so that way when I put whatever I'm gonna put on it to slick it, it's kind of got form already. I'm just gonna take the Shine Jam and smack it around, not like on my edges, just kind of like on my hair, because I've said this before, I don't really like Shine Jam on my edges because, like, while it's okay for slicking a ponytail, it don't really hold my edges in place. And I feel like as long as my edges are looking decent, like, everything else will be fine. I'll just smooth that out. Boom. And then we're gonna do our real pony and put the ponytail in. And I'm doing this without even a mirror. Like, it's so quick, easy, and simple. Boom. So I'm gonna just tie this down real quick while we do our little twist. So yeah, then I'm gonna comb this out, aka comb my hair out, and then I'm going to do a twist. That's our twist. Take our wig. Mine is already tightened because I told you I've been wearing this out. Pop her on. And we're going to section off the part for the half up, half down. So, like, I'm probably going to take a little bit from this side. And then, like, a little bit from this side. Okay. So, I think that should be good enough. Because, like, this is how thick the ponytail will be. Now, I'm going to take my one black hair tie. And I love these. I got these from Dollar Tree. They like the seamless ones, but I cannot find them no more. But anyway. And then just make a ponytail. I already like double crossed mine or whatever you call it. And then we're going to take our ponytail that we twisted and wrap her around like this. And I'm really going to try to be strategic and cover up my pink hair tie. And then don't worry about that. That's literally gonna be tucked. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin. I'm actually gonna try to bring it back to the front in her. I'm gonna go once more. Boom. And then now we have ourselves a half up, half down. But for me, I like to pin the hair. Like, I'm gonna take a piece from the back and like just pin it down. But then boom, just like that, we have ourselves a half up, half down. Boom. Hopefully you can see. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Like, you know me, I love the kinks. I love the texture. If it has kinkiness and texture to it, I'm there. I'm all for it. But I'm obsessed with this method in general, like the super quick half up, half down. Because again, I feel like if you want to look cute, you could get this done really, really quickly and be out the door like I'm about to be. Yeah, I just wanted to come like do long form because I haven't done long form with this wig. I've done long form with this technique many times, okay? But with this wig, not with this wig. And I just, like I said, I love the texture. It matches my texture. I think it's so pretty. As I also say, if you're interested, it's linked everywhere. Well, I believe it's linked in my Beacons page, I think. Once again, shout out to Gladys. Yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.